Hello my friend, here Angel Bernice, and today I want to talk to you about the free online course that I have created on blockchain. Yeah, it is available at courses10.com, courses10.com, and in this website, I'm leaving the link below this video, you will find this course. What is this blockchain? Maybe you have heard about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is that, a cryptocurrency that it was built by computers and people exchange money and pay by using this cryptocurrency, and the technology that is below, or it's allowing Bitcoin to exist, it's blockchain. Okay, so blockchain is the underlying technology that was used for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is just one use case that can be done with blockchain. Blockchain is more than that. Blockchain allows to create something like a public ledger. Let's think it is not exactly like that, okay? But like, imagine a public database where each of the registers are spread around the world, right? And they are connected by something that it's a chain. So it's a chain of blocks. That's the name of blockchain, right? That anyone can query to that public database, okay? That ledger, in fact, it's a ledger, and verify any transaction that has been registered in that ledger, right? So now this technology allows to remove third parties that have been used in the past in order to confirm that a transaction has happened, right? It is no longer needed anyone in the middle saying, yeah, the transaction happened, because now blockchains allows to two parties to make a transaction, and any other that wants to verify that that transaction happened, just make a query to that blockchain in order to check, okay, yeah, that happened at that date, right? So you can imagine thousands of use cases that can be developed by using this technology. So this technology, it's a very good technology with a lot of potential in the future years, right? There were some issues in the past with some initiatives, business initiatives, that they were using this cryptocurrency, or they were developing custom cryptocurrencies by using the blockchain technology. And there were some scams also in the past. You need to be aware, okay? But this is not the problem of the technology. It's a problem with some people that they have used this technology in order to create some scams, right? But the technology has a lot of potential and use cases, and in this course that I'm providing, this free online course that it is available at courses10.com, you can learn a lot about this technology and about the potential and use cases that can be developed by using this technology. So I invite you to join this free online course now. It is self-paced, you can take it at your own pace. There is any hurry, right, to finish that, but it is easy, fast, and you will learn a lot. So, join now to the course. I'm leaving you the link below this video, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.